Understanding the definition and importance of paradigm shifting. Paradigm shifting refers to a fundamental change in thinking or perspective. It involves letting go of old beliefs, assumptions, and ways of doing things, and embracing new ideas and approaches. In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of paradigm shifting, discuss its importance, and understand how it can bring about personal and professional transformation. 1. What is a paradigm? A paradigm is a mental framework or model that guides our thinking, decision-making, and behavior. It comprises our beliefs, values, assumptions, and perceptions about how the world works. Paradigms are deeply ingrained and often unconscious, shaping our understanding of reality. 2. Definition of paradigm shifting. Paradigm shifting involves a radical change in our underlying assumptions or worldview. It challenges the status quo, disrupts conventional thinking, and widens our perspective. It encourages us to question existing paradigms and explore alternative possibilities. 3. Importance of paradigm shifting. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Paradigm shifting opens up new possibilities by challenging and breaking free from limiting beliefs, facilitating growth and development. It allows personal and professional growth by expanding our knowledge, skills, and perspectives. Promoting innovation. By questioning established norms and thinking outside the box, paradigm shifting drives innovation and progress, enhancing problem-solving abilities. Adopting new paradigms enables us to solve complex problems more effectively and creatively. Building resilience. Paradigm shifting promotes adaptability and resilience in the face of change and uncertainty, fostering empathy and understanding. Shifting our perspective allows us to see the world through different lenses and empathize with others' experiences. 4. How to shift paradigms. Self-reflection. Begin by reflecting on your existing beliefs and assumptions. Are there any that may be limiting your growth or hindering your progress? Seek new perspectives. Engage in conversations with diverse individuals and expose yourself to different viewpoints. Embrace continuous learning. Stay open-minded and actively seek out new knowledge and experiences. Challenge assumptions. Question underlying assumptions and look for evidence to support or challenge them. Be willing to change. Paradigm shifting requires a willingness to let go of old ideas and embrace new ones. 5. Examples of paradigm shifting. Copernican revolution. The shift from the geocentric model, Earth at the center of the universe, to the heliocentric model, Sun at the center. Digital transformation. The shift from analog to digital technologies and the impact it has had on various industries. Gender equality, the shifting paradigm around gender roles and stereotypes, advocating for equal rights and opportunities for all genders. 6. Applying paradigm shifting in daily life. Recognize and question assumptions. Be aware of the assumptions that guide your thinking and challenge them when necessary. Practice flexibility, embrace change, and be open to new ideas and perspectives. Embrace discomfort. Paradigm shifting can be uncomfortable, but growth often happens outside of our comfort zone. Surround yourself with diverse perspectives, engage in conversations with people from different backgrounds and with different viewpoints. Stay curious, adopt a mindset of continuous learning, and seek out opportunities to expand your knowledge and understanding. By understanding the definition and importance of paradigm shifting, you can unlock new possibilities, foster personal growth, and navigate the ever-changing world with resilience and adaptability. Embrace the power of paradigm shifting and open yourself up to transformative experiences.